All right, we got Rich and Kara this time. They are discussing triangle ABC that has a right angle at C. So we'll put our right angle down here. And a hypotenuse of length 25 units. So this hypotenuse is 25. Rich thinks the triangle could have legs that are 20 and 15 units long. Kara thinks that angle B, hold on, we're going to put Rich in one color and we're going to put Kara in another color. So Rich thinks that it could have legs of 20 and 15. Kara thinks that angle B could be 10 degrees. We'll call this angle A. And then side AC would be 4.33. So do you agree with either of them? Explain or show your reasoning. Well, Rich is going to be the easiest one to show whether or not he's correct because we can use the Pythagorean theorem for him. So if we want to determine whether or not Rich is correct, we can do a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we're just going to use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So 20 squared plus 15 squared is equal to 25 squared. So using this, 20 squared would be 400. 15 squared would be 225. And 25 squared would be 625. So if we add, 625. So if we add this side together, we get 625. And we see that it's equal to this side over here. So Rich is correct. This triangle could have legs that are 20, 15, and 25. So let's check to see if Kara is also correct, because it's possible that she's also correct. So if we're talking about Kara, we have this angle here. Sorry. B is up here. And then we have A down here. So angle B is 10 degrees and side AC would be 4.33 units long. So if this is theta over here, here's our hypotenuse and this is our opposite, here's our adjacent. I don't really need the adjacent. I don't have any information there. So I would need to use the sine of 10 is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So again, we're just checking to see if these two sides are going to be equal to each other. So the opposite is 4.33 and the hypotenuse is 25. So if we do the sine of 10, how about the sine of 10? We get 0.1. 0.2 approximately. We're going to round to the nearest tenth. And if we do the same thing over here to see if these two sides are equal, if we take 4.33 divided by 25, you can see that those are in fact about the same. So both of these two people, Kara and Rich, are correct.